Kampanja intensiva fuq kwistjonijiet li jolqtu fil-laħam il-ħaj għandhom iwasslu għall-ogħla votazzjoni fl-istorja moderna tal-Istati Uniti. Jgħidlek ma' TVM News l-akkademiku dwar il-politika Amerikana l-professur Mike Rozell.
In U.S. elections, most voters prioritize domestic public policy issues, particularly the state of the economy, employment, and then there's a number of other issues such as immigration, the southern border, abortion rights, gun control. But it's very typical of United States elections that people really focus on the issues that, as we say, are closer to home.
L-Amerikani bħal kumplament tad-dinja jolqothom il-but.
So, for example, rising inflation in the country in the past several years has become a very big political issue, which is a challenge for the Harris campaign because Americans tend to criticize the in-party in the White House during periods of economic anxiety.
L-istess l-immigrazzjoni.
Facts matter. Border crossings have decreased significantly in recent months, and in the past couple of years, actually, there's been a steady decline. But there is a political narrative out there being pushed primarily by the Trump campaign and Republicans that there is something analogous to an invasion, they call it, at the southern border.
Kollox ma kollox jidher li Harris u Trump jinsabu ras imbras. Kollox iħollu jorbot f'7 stati magħrufa bħala swing states fejn ir-riżultat jista' jmur naħa jew oħra għad-Demokratiċi ta' Harris jew għar-Repubblikani ta' Trump.
So the presidential candidates are going to spend all of their time and all of their resources in 6 or 7 key swing states, as they're called. That will determine the outcome of the presidential campaign this year. And right now, the polling data show that the two major party candidates are statistically tied in most of these swing states.
Id-dibattitu televiżiv li rawh il-miljuni u sissa l-ewwel u l-uniku wieħed intrebaħ minn Kamala Harris. Il-professur Rozell jemmen li l-Amerikani ħaqhom dibattitu ieħor.
So right now Kamala Harris is saying we need to have another debate. And Donald Trump is saying no. But if Donald Trump says, okay, I want to have a debate with you after all, but it's going to be done on Fox News. And we're going to have open mics. And we're going to have the podium set up the way I want. I expect we have not heard the last about another presidential debate at this point.
Mal-244 miljun ċittadin Amerikan huma msejħa jivvutaw fl-elezzjoni presidenzjali tal-5 ta' Novembru. Bid-destin issa jinsab f'idejhom bejn mandat ieħor u l-aħħar wieħed tar-Repubblikan Donald Trump jew paġna ġdida l-ewwel mara President Amerikana Kamala Harris għad-Demokratiċi.